one don't stop beat up Tyler. Bad boy. Bad boy Kian. Hi Fibs, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. You find it? Good afternoon and good night, you guys. My voice is slowly coming back and that is good. We're getting an early start this morning. We're actually heading late start because it is now some minutes to 11 and we're heading on the road with the crew. Cousin number 1, cousin number 2, cousin number 3, cousin number 4, and cousin number 5. And the boss himself is here. Tyler, say hi. Say hi. Hey. So we're actually at the bus stop. Baby's off to work, you guys, because it's a day in the week. So you guys know baby's off to work. We're heading to the beach. We're going to the park. We're just heading out to town for a long, eventful day. So of course you guys will be coming along with us. So we're actually waiting on the bus. It should be here any minute. You guys, they're having so much fun. They're loving in town. Look at the Mario at the water. Hey. Aww. Okay. He just come and give me a hug.
Aww. Careful.
Richard, say hi. Say hi, Rowena.
Hi. Hi, everybody.
Say hi, everybody. It's not just me. You have more than 2,000 people watching you. You know that, right?
Right.
Richard, you're afraid. You're afraid too, huh? Kian not having it. Go Kian, go, go, go. Go Tyler, go. Touch it, touch it. Whoa! Ty, touch it.
There we go.
Yes. Why you don't stop playing with Kian?
Richard's not happening.
Richard, come. Come, 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 come. Touch it, touch it.
Come on.
Where's the Mario? Where's the Mario? Go Richard, go, 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 run. Go jump. Jump, 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 jump. Jump, 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 jump. Go jump. Jump. Go, go. cousins are having way too much fun. Charlotte, you're having so much fun, right? Richard, go, 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 go. No, the camera can't get wet soon. They're here, right here, but Kian is not having it at all. The baby's crying so bad. Kian doesn't like it. Kian is not having it. We actually went for lunch earlier. We went for lunch at McDonald's and we're just at the water park. We're not gonna go to the beach today because I actually forget my umbrella at home and it didn't make no sense to go to the beach and sit in the sun. Hi Kian. Oh, come here. Say hi peeps. Say hi everybody.
Hello.
Say hi. Blow them kisses. Mwah. No kiss. No kiss, handsome. Kian. Tyler, give it back to Kian. Ty, give it back to Kian. Thank you. You get this one. Good job, mon amour. Good boy. Good sharing, my love. So you guys, we're just here and the kids are having a really good time. I think we're going to go to the park after and then probably finish the day at the pool at home or something. But the good thing is that they're having fun and we're just here chilling and watching them. That's my cousin right there. Ryan, say hi. Come on, come on. Look, Kian. Come, come. Kian, come. Come, baby, come. You guys were at the park. Well, the same park, but a different section. And Tyler is knocked out sleeping. Dunzo, out. And Kiddo's having so much fun at the bar. Richard! He's coming off. You wanna go with your brother? Go. Go. Go, 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 run. He's gone. He's in front of you. Look. Go, Richard, go. Hey, no, you go inside, not on the top. In here. Richard, Richard, come here. Richard, come. Go in here. Go. Let him pass you. Let him pass you first. Let him pass you first, Rowena. Go, Richard. Go, Richard. Look at them. They're having so much fun. Whoa, good job. Good job. Whoa, good job, princess. Whoa. Voila, thank you. I think you pay over here, right?
Sorry?
You pay over here.
Let me see. Let me see. Look up. Look at me. Do you want the noodles? Yeah? Noodles food. Yes.
Yes, please. Okay, princess. You like it? Good. I have two babies, two crying babies. Don't they look like twin, you guys? Look. Cousins look alike. Thank you. No. This one don't stop beat up Tyler. Bad boy. Bad boy Kian. No.
Alright. What happened? What happened?
No, it's not a picture, it's film. You guys, this baby keeps beating up Tyler. I'm not laughing, but it's hilarious. My son is getting beat up by a baby. By a baby. Lord, help me. No, sir, I need to send my boy to school. I'm going to send him to karate class for him to get strong. He Ty, you have to go karate class.
Rowena high five.
He loves Rowena. Oh yeah. Him love Rowena and him love Damario. He's not a fan of Richard because Richard don't talk to him. And he's not a fan of Kian because Kian fight him. Hey gorgeous girl, you want to see yourself? You see yourself? You see yourself? Say hi. Damn, where's my voice? Hello to the future. He said hello to the future. That's a good one. Hello to the future, guys.